Hello everyone, this is Ji Chang, and today I'd like to just guide you guys to our workshop. And first look at this laser cutting machine. Look at the raw materials and this sheet. Yeah, and the machine is working, a laser cutting machine. And this one is just a bending machine. And as you can see, this final just a product, and this one we just bend these edges in this machine. And let's look at my partner to give you some details. And look at this young guy, and he's doing this process. Now let's continue this welding. This one just a laser welding. Okay, and now let's just to the grading process. And this one just we polish. Yeah, the surface is polishing. And as you can see, this process we call electrophoretic deposition. Usually we call it coating. As you can see, this the product and maybe can contain grease, oil, and dirt. And when we do this process and look at this one, and we can improve its resistance to corrosion and wear. And look at the surface, and this one just after polishing. And now the next process just punching and powder coating. Yeah, look at the powder coating this racks. And after this process, and we do this one, it's just a high temperature dry. And this one, high temperature to dry this racks. And then after this one, we will see the final product. Hello guys, here we go. And look at this, the top board. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the top board, and we just place here. And look at the cartoon. And as you can see, there are 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. So that means just this is too strong to protect the boards. Okay, look at the 2 strips or sticks. Yeah, the rear window, front windows. You can see, and we pay more attention to each detail. So whenever we just place one of the parts, and we just put one sheet to protect, and then finally, and then we just cover this cartoon. Yeah, almost done. So, and this one just is 2, and you just sit down, is not problem. And even you just, it's okay. Yeah, so no worry.